Meaning of Hawaii.
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 Hawaii. Hawaii is the name of America's 50th state, located in the Pacific Ocean. The word Hawaii derives from the Proto-Polynesian language and means place of the gods or homeland. Hawaii is known for its stunning natural beauty, including beaches, volcanoes, and rainforests. It has a rich culture that blends traditional Hawaiian customs with influences from Asian and Western immigrants. Tourism is a major industry in Hawaii, attracting millions of visitors each year to enjoy the warm climate, picturesque landscapes, and outdoor activities such as surfing, hiking, and whale watching.